Katia, and now I am going to present the members of my team. The members of my team are Carla, Juan Pablo, and Juan. The project consists in getting the formulas of the area and the perimeter and the volume of some figures. Like these figures, we have to get the area and of the water fountain that I think that is here. We have to get the volume and the area. After that, we have to, like for example, if we have to get the area of a wall, we have to look if the wall does not have like windows or doors, and if it had like windows or doors or doorways, we have to get the area of the wall and then subtract the area of the window or the door or the doorway. And after that, here we have to write like the results, and after that we have to get the cost of, like for example, in the case of paint, the paint costs 39.15 per square meter, and after that we have to multiply the
Hi, my name is Carla and I am part of the team. I am going to present the parts of the house that I choose to do. So, the parts of the house that I chose to do were the water fountain and the amount of paint that we need to have. Okay, so first, what I did was that I saw that here in the water fountain we have each side of the garden is 1.20 meters. The apothem is of 0.18 meters and is 0.17 deep. So we need to fill the fountain with water. The first thing that I did was to find the volume of the water. Here you can see with this formula 3 plus L plus apothema plus high. Then that I found the volume of the water fountain, that is was 2.016 meters cubic meters. I found the area of the water fountain 7.2 meters plus. So now what we are going to do is to have the paint of the living room. First, I saw that the side of the wall was 6 meters and the height is going to be 2.15 meters. So what I did was to multiply a side by the height, and it gave me 15 square meters minus 3.97 square meters, because we can see that the south doors were 3.97 square meters. That are these ones. Then the result gave me 11.04 square meters by 39.15. This is the price of a square meter of the paint. So I multiply it and it give me 432.21 pesos or dollars. Then I did the same procedure with the other walls, the east wall and the west wall. I multiply it, it give me this, and with the west wall I subtract 1.89 square meters, because we can see that in here it says that the west wall that is 1/3.
Now with my teammate Carla, I do the paint, the master bedroom, that this one. I have to do the west wall, the south wall and the west wall. Here I have the south wall, that is this one, and I get the width of the wall and the height of the wall, that is 2.5 meters, and I multiply them to get the area of the wall. Then, as we can see, it has doors, so I subtract the doors, the south door, and this is my result, was 12.29 meters squares. And of the other wall, that is this one, the west wall, I do the same. I multiply the width by the height, that is 2.5, and I get 16.25. And after that, we can see that here it has a window, and I subtract the window, the area of the window, that is 1.44 meters square. So I get 14.81 meters squares. Now I am going to explain my part, that is the porcelain floor, and here I have to get the area of the bath, the master bath and the laundry. Here is my procedure. The laundry, I multiply the base by the height and divided by 2, because that is the formula of the triangle. Then of the bath, the base by the height, and this is the area, and the master bath, the base by the height. After I have these three areas of these three ones, I add it, and this is their result, 30.813 meters square. And after that, I have to get the cost of the porcelain floor, and I multiply the total area of these three ones by the cost of the square meter, that is this, and the cost of all the porcelain floor is going to be 583.290.
Hi, my name is Juan Pablo Soria Ruiz, and I'm going to talk about my math problem in the project. My problem was the carpet. And in the carpet, I obtained the area of the living room, the bedroom 1, bedroom 2, master bedroom, and the closet, multiplying the weight by the height. And then I obtained the cost, multiplying the cost per 1 square meter in each room. But in I put the bedroom cost in the bedrooms, and in the living room and the closet I use the cost of the others, of the normal ones, in the of the square meter, and then I add all the prices to obtain the final cost.
One of the decisions that we take as a team was to deliver equal the job. So Juan Pablo and me choose the wallpaper. First of all, in the wallpaper is divided in two areas, in the dining room and the kitchen. Juan Pablo chose the kitchen, and I choose the dining room. So the results for the dining room were 2.2 meters squares in the north wall, in the south wall 3.7 meters squared, in the east 1.02 meters squares, and in the west was 5.5 meters squares.
Then in the wallpaper of the kitchen, I obtained the area of the walls, the west wall and the south wall, by multiplying the size of the wall by the height, that is 2.5 meters, and then I add the two areas to zoom with the wallpaper, with the dining room, to obtain the total area of square meters. Thank you. And in conclusion, the project was, I think, that easy in the way to solve the problem. But on the other hand, it was a bit difficult to explain how I made the project. Why? Because it's difficult to explain the mathematical problems. And also, it was funny because we take we took a lot of videos to give only one to you. Thank you.
As a team, we get satisfied with the final product. We get the part that everybody did. So when we get unified, we get the best result. The the most important thing here was uh, to learn how to do the part of mathematic problems. I think the most difficult part was to make the video because sometimes our team members because as team members we bother us, but it is the less thing that is important here. Well, in my opinion of the conclusion is that we get the best option and we deliver on time.
We can conclude, well, I can conclude that it's easy to use all the formulas because you don't have to be an architect and all that professions to know exactly what you have to do for your house or another one's home. So it's basically pretty easy for us as students, this project, because it has things that we have seen in class and in basically the whole mathematics school.
Hi, I am going to give my conclusion, and I can say that for me it's like very important to know like all the formulas of the area and the volume and the perimeter because we really use it like in our daily life. We don't have to, like my partner Carla says, that we don't have to be like an architect to use that. So in our daily life we also use that formulas. That's what I think that are very important, and that's what I think that this project is very important and helpful for us.